Hello and welcome back to Chef in My Kitchen Healthy Bites episodes. As I said last time, we're gonna carry on the next few days and weeks with the healthy lunches, evening dinners, snacks for the athletes as they came back to the season. But then again, once again, I repeat myself, it's not just for athletes, it's for everybody, including me. So, what we're having today is teriyaki steak with rice, spinach, courgettes, spring onions. Very healthy, very clean, and what else can you ask for? Right, so to start with, we will put this hob on, and we have marinated already for about half an hour or so this rump steak. You can use rump steak, you can use fillet steak, you can use even sirloin, as long as you trim the fat off. As you can see, it's nice, lean, fat free here. And like I said, we will marinate it for about half an hour. We'll get some coconut oil, organic. Pay a bit more, but you've got better ingredients there. So while we wait for this to melt a bit, we will chop some courgettes or slice some courgettes, maybe lengthways, like chopsticks, but not as thin as chopsticks. We've got spring onions. Now for these, we're only gonna use half of it, save the other half for later on, and I'll show you why. And the ends, kind of cut them in halves. And we've got some tender stem broccoli. Now we have got the pan, as you can see, nicely sizzling. And we take this fillet of rump steak. Try to save that marinade there. Now this, I would like to have it for 2 minutes each way, each side. We don't want to overcook it. Some pepper, some salt, and a touch of paprika on the top. I'm gonna put some more coconut oil in this pan, and this is for our rice. Right. Look at that. Nice sealed brown. Gently, don't put too high on high heat. Just nice and gentle there. Let's push this aside. Like I said, we saved these spring onions earlier on, the white ends. We're gonna chop them, finely chop them. Throw them here. We've got some fresh ginger. And we've got some garlic. One is enough. One clove of garlic should be more than enough. Put through there. Now I think the fillets, look at that, how beautiful is this? More. We've got this brown rice, the ready cooked brown rice, that we will put it together with this spring onion. Time to take this out and let it rest nicely in there. You remember these courgettes, this broccoli, these spring onions? We use the same pan that we have used this steak in and left them there. Fry nicely. Bit of salt, bit of pepper. Now then, We've got a couple of free-range organic eggs that we're gonna put them in here. Right, we've got some fresh spinach. Got it in there. Not too much, a nice handful would be more than enough. This is ready now. Move it to this. Try to keep the oil out. You remember the one that I said the marinade to save it? Is last thing there. Now this is rested enough, this steak. We're gonna slice it. There you have it. Nice, clean, healthy, quick and easy. You don't need to stand in your kitchen for an hour doing this. Like you see, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and it's all done. Of course, I'm doing it for a lot longer than you guys out there, so I'm doing it faster, but it doesn't mean I'm 10 times faster than you. If it took me 10 minutes, it will take you maybe 20 minutes first time, 15 minutes second time, and so on and so forth. So try it. If you need to change something extra to your liking, to your taste, a bit of chili, diced chili, or whatever you think is to your likings, please do so. You don't have to just follow this, but this is the basics of how to start it. So like I said, enjoy it and let us know what you think of it. Have a nice day.